A truck launch is more than a reveal. It is a statement of engineering, confidence, and commercial ambition. At Langhams, heavy-duty vehicles can be launched in a setting designed for scale, movement, visibility, and premium guest experience. From flagship model reveals to fleet showcases and commercial vehicle launches, Langhams gives the product the presence it deserves. Every launch is a sequence of carefully planned moments: arrival, reveal, walk-around, presentation, content capture, and hospitality. For truck manufacturers, OEMs, dealer networks, and production teams, the venue has to support the product, the brand, and the guest experience. Langhams brings together practical launch capability and refined hospitality, allowing heavy-duty vehicle events to feel polished, powerful, and brand-aligned. For commercial vehicle brands ready to launch with scale, presence, and precision, Langhams provides the setting to turn the moment into a brand milestone.